Hi, this is Steve Westmark of RE/MAX. Thanks so much for watching my video blog this week. Well, myself as an agent, I have a pre-listing checklist, but here is a pre-listing checklist for sellers thinking of putting their homes on the market. I have 3 items I'm going to share with you. The first thing is to do research online on your property to see what others are saying about your property online. For instance, going to Zillow.com and seeing what their Zestimate is. By doing that, you're going to see what they have put in as a value, and then I can help you figure out how, if we need to improve it, we can do that. So doing research on your property, just go and Google your address, or go to Zillow and put in your address, and you'll gain some insight. The second thing is make a list of every repair or replacement you've done. If you've put in a new refrigerator, a new water heater, repainted the walls, put in new carpet, putting down the year when you did those things is a great access for buyers to look at when they're considering buying your home and seeing all the improvements you've done. The third thing is to walk around the house and look for obvious flaws. Now, this time of year it might be hard to go and look at your deck and see if there's cracked boards or things like that that need to be replaced, but if you see that there's a hole in a door, or very squeaky things that are either in floors or on cabinets or whatever, going through a list of repairs that you can do before putting on the market that will help you maximize the value of your home. One last thing you can do is go to my website, solding.com, and click on Sell, type your address in, and within 30 seconds you'll get a quick analysis of what your property is worth. Well, thanks for watching my video blog this week, and make it a great day.